Hi there, George here. Today I'm gonna show you a new plant in my collection. It's a citrus mandarin tree. This is and so beautiful. Was gifted to me by someone which I know, relatives, stuff like that, and it's very beautiful as you can see. Look at the leaves, awesome they look. It seems that it was in very good condition, was grown this little tree, and I have it almost 2 months already, and it's the first time when I show you this beautiful little tree. And as you can see here, was grow these leaves in my conditions. They seems to be more long leaves, but you can see, look at the new leaves and old leaves. I think the old leaves look better, but I will move it outside, then it will have more light and outside growing well, plants in my care, so will grow nice. And here we can see new roots on these holes jetting out, and one day I will have to repot it. So nice shift, and it have almost, you can see the size, 30 or 14 feet tall. Yeah, that's it. Let's show you close up this beauty. So here we go, this is the new leaves, and look at them, beautiful they looks like. And the old leaves, so beautiful, looks just perfect, no any kind of pets, stuff like that. And yeah, the soil, it's the simple soil from the garden or it's from the forest, stuff like that. We will see. In any case, was grow beautiful, and as we can see, spiny, so little spiny it have. Interesting, what variety is it? Anyway, it was grown from seed, I think. Look at my old mandarin tree, what spines it have here. This is old branch, stuff like that. This tree, it's old. It so looks like, and very soon I have to move it outside. So that's it. We will see how this mandarin tree will grow in my care. It's a beautiful one, and yeah. Thanks so much for watching to the end, that means a lot to my channel. Greetings from Moldova, and put like and hit the subscribe button if you want. A happy spring to you I wish, and see you next time. Bye bye.